You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch, and you've taken all my yarn. I was making up a lovely shawl with which to keep me warm, Mr. Grinch. You're a nasty creature who's lacking all charm. You're a rotter, Mr. Grinch, and I want my Craftvent back. With notions just for me, you see, the Jimmy Beans elves packed it, Mr. Grinch. I teach you to crochet today, but you've not got the knack. You're a foul one, Mr. Grinch, and you're making me quite sad. I want to make my ginger snap, but you've taken it, you cad, Mr. Grinch. If you don't give my Craftvent back, I'm going to get mad.